Today we're going to take a video of a 1986 Chevrolet K10 4x4 Silverado pickup truck. I purchased the truck with a 195 horse 350 original motor with a tapping rod on number 4 cylinder. I ordered a brand new motor from Chevrolet Performance, and we tore the old motor down, took it out, and put in a new motor from Chevrolet Performance, a 350, 330 horsepower. We'll walk around the truck. It's a pretty straight truck to be a 1986. Pop the hood there, son. All it basically needs is the typical 86, 80 series Chevrolets with the hood and the top of the roof. Primer come loose, paint turn loose. Put it back pretty much in stock format. Like I say again, here's a 350, 330 horse HO motor from GM Performance. Factory air installed back. New manifolds, new dual exhaust, MagnaFlow from manifold to the rear of the truck. Brand new radiator. All right, fire up there. Give it a little gas. There she is, brand new 330 horse HO with a brand new set of MagnaFlow exhausts. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.